Hi, welcome to my channel. So today in this video, I will clear a one misconception. So the question is, can we charge our lithium ion batteries without a BMS? Obviously, it's not safe. So thanks for watching. So this is very important video. So stay to the end. I will clear all the misconceptions about this. So for the safe charging of this battery, you need a this type of silicon diode. You can also use 6A10. It's a 10A10 diode. So as you can see that the voltage drop across this diode is almost 0.5 volts. So further connect it in series with this lithium ion cell and you are ready to go. So you can also connect a micro USB or a type C jack here to charge it with your 5-volt mobile charger, or you can also use the module and supply. So you can see that. Let me show you the voltage across the diode and the battery. As you can see that the voltage here is 4.9 volts, almost 5 volts, and the here the voltage is 4.16, almost 4.2. So there is a voltage drop across this diode. So in this way the battery is charging. I know what you guys are thinking, that this guy is having already a constant current buck driver to charge the battery, and this guy is using a diode to charge these batteries. Obviously I'm clearing the misconception. Obviously I'm doing this for the sake of the video. So if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for the next video.